From the beach to the scary bucket pool, saying goodbye to Salbabida and welcoming Tayan's new favorite, the light vest. To the funkiest dance moves, the cutest snore you'll ever hear, and to this unforgettable growing up moment. Join us as Super Tayan explores the go-to resort of the middle class, Solea Mactan.
Bata. Oh, so naay bata diri na nasuya. Nadugay man may check-in. So nasuya na siya sa naligo.
Tang-tang.
Tang-tang? Wala pa man ta na check-in.
Tang-tang. Kita tang-tang.
Tang-tang? Going inside. Tadaan! Wow!
Wala. Patay.
Wow, very nice! Double, twin bed. Sino may tawagan?
Android TV.
Hello? Mo ni ang atong view. Kung ano siya, silingan view. The neighborhood view. Tadan! Hello neighbors. Hello man TV, what are you watching?
Watch. Boat Tayan.
Boat? Oh, boat dito.
Nasa kasama daw. Saan kasama daw? Bye.
Okay, dito sa may. Okay,
Probably the cheapest option in Agoda or Booking.com, Solea is an easy choice. The area is not too big, unlike other resorts, but they have plenty of pool, which is what most Filipinos are after, diba?
Hi, say hi sa camera. Hi! Asa mas mama?
Na.
Asa man mama? Tara! Hi mama!
From the uninspiring stories of my friends visiting Solea versus the weekend crowd, we decided to go on a weekday. It was a wise decision.
Nato yung nakita ng mga saba ng mga bata o mga colorful na mga thingy-thingy. So we're headed there sa kiddie na pool.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hello Tayan, how was your
Bye-bye.
partial swimming? Ha? So, padung mi sa dagat.
Sa beach.
Sa beach. Moon? Asamang moon? Oo, taray moon.
Hi, Moon.
Moon, tara moon. So, now we're going to the beach. We have to skip the kiddie pool because there's this big bucket that would splash every time it gets full. And Tayan, he panics easily. So, we're going to the beach. Tada! Run! Run! Run!
Green lagi.
Okay, first time using the life vest. Enjoy, enjoy. Enjoy kaya wala na yung restrictions. Muligid lang siya, muligid. Roll over the ocean, roll over the sea. Oh, 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 oh. Swim, swim, swim. Oh, oh, swim, swim, swim. The water is really warm. You can cook noodles. Woo! Enjoy, enjoy yung isa. Nag-enjoy. Wow! Okay. So, init yung tubig. Yan ako din. Maka-relax ka. Like, mga init siya na init. Maka-kuto kang kape. Ana. Ana. Egg?
Dagat.
So far, nami sa perfect condition sa beach. Landong kaayo.
Mama. Dali.
It's shade and then the water is warm. So it's And Tayan is enjoying the new life vest rather than the salbabida. Okay, there's so much freedom. Careful lang because he rolls over. See?
Ayok! Iyok, iyok! Tagang kay crab.
What's this? Mag. Nindot man dining na kay life vest kay pwede na siya mabiyaan. Oh, pwede na mabiyaan si Tayan. Tayan. Very good. Very good. Okay, baby, come here. Go. Oh, hold, Tayan. Sige. Sige, swing. Swim. Okay. Kaya mo yan. Ulo, ipit. Ulo, ipit.
So this is the exciting part.
Okay.
At first, Tayan gets to go down the pool on his own.
Achievement unlocked.
Then, he tries this small jump. Successful. But then, this happened. And the rest was history.
Again. Jump.
See? Very good. Ay! Yeah. Planet Earth. Nakatug si Tayan, so he fell asleep and I have to order food and take out. So funny kayo, if you order and have it served to the room, they charge 10%. So I'll just order and take it out para so that there's no additional charge. Menu, the earth, and then there's the shorty.
So while waiting for the food, this is what Solea Mactan looks like at night.
Ingon sila, lami dyan kuno ang food sa Solea. So, we'll see. I-order ka. First is marinara. Okay.
Oh, kamot. Oh my God.
Ang last, tada, lemon chicken. So, how's it so far? Isa pinakalami ni mo so far. Shawarma rice. So, nagkaon mi. So, after eating, di ba kanina Tayan was asleep? And look what we have here. Tada! We're here at the 8th floor the rooftop, the Salted Sky Lounge, music, and Tayan wide awake. Oh, dance man, no? There's the view downstairs. Cheers!
Where's yours?
Finally, in every overnight stay, a very important thing to really look forward to is the breakfast.
Good morning! Pansit! So, we are at Earth Restaurant. And he's busy eating now. We're having our breakfast. It's already like mga 8:30 and there's plenty of people now. And we have to wake him up. And so far, food is okay. There's plenty of choices and there's just plenty of people around. But still, Tayan is enjoying the pancit. And kita dito. Ay, good.
All in all, Solea is affordable. With only 3,000 pesos plus you get a good bed, great food, and plenty of swimming pool. Just what every middle class looking for a quick getaway would need. And for our family, Tayan's first jump to the pool is for the record. And I'm really glad to get it on camera. Unlike his clumsy and not the active type of dad, I'm really aspiring to give Tayan all the opportunities to live a full life, full of bravery and full of adventures. Thank you for watching. Share us your stories and questions. Comment down below. And please do subscribe. If you enjoy, please take a look at our other adventure vlogs too. See you soon and another adventure of Super Tayan, ang Batang Lagan.
Okay, mas ka na na. Martaas na ka na. Kapoy na kay-edit, anak.
Tao. Kapito, may anak.
Smile!